Hello and welcome to another episode of Tiny Garage. Today on Tiny Garage we're going to take a look at this 1957 GMC Stepside from Matchbox. This is number 80 of 125, you see down here, and this is a sheriff's vehicle. It's very cool. It's brown. It's got a kind of cream pinstriping and the sheriff logo. I think it says Boone County Sheriff, which I'm not sure if that's a real place or not. You can see the front, the back, the box and the top. Looks pretty good. It's got a plastic bottom, kind of traditional Matchbox looking thing, and some really good card art. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a closer look. Okay, here we have our Matchbox truck taken out of the package, and if we take a quick look right at the side, we can see it's got that classic Chevy GM kind of 50s truck styling, some very vintage pinstriping down the side as we saw in the packaging, and some wheels which aren't too flashy, so they kind of fit with just this work truck kind of truck. It's interesting to see a sheriff's pickup truck rather than a sheriff's car or some other vehicle, maybe a motorcycle. But a pickup truck is interesting. So the side has some pretty good detail. It's the Stepside box, which is kind of cool. And on the front, some good detail with the Grille molding, but not a lot of detail for paint or decals or tampos on the front. Then we see the driver side. It's basically the same as the passenger side. And on the back we've got the tailgate, and not a lot of detail. It doesn't say GMC anything on the back. And then you've got the bed in the back, which is just made of plastic. It's the same plastic as the base and the interior. As you can see, it kind of goes through there. But overall, I mean, it's a simple casting, but it looks really good. And if you're looking to add some trucks to your collection, this is a really good one. I think out of 100, if I had to give it a score, I'd give it probably an 80, maybe a little less than that, just because it's not very detailed with the paint, but it is really cool. So let's just go with 80 out of 100 for a random score. And I really like this one. If you like this video, leave us a thumbs up and a comment. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you on the next video.